Hey everyone, and welcome to Hemp in a Pan. Today, we'll be showing you how to make a CBD sugar. Out of all of the infused ingredients we've covered so far, from butter to oil to alcohol, this is one of the most versatile, although it is also the most time-consuming to make. That's because the infusion process to get the cannabinoids to mix with sugar requires multiple steps, as we first have to get the cannabinoids off the buds, and to do that we'll start by making infused alcohol. So to start, we'll be using 750 milliliters of vodka and a quarter of an ounce of decarboxylated hemp. Decarboxylating the hemp is a process of heating up the hemp so that the CBD on the buds convert to CBD, which is what gives the same effects as burning it when smoked. A quick recap on how to decarboxylate hemp. We break up the hemp and place it on a baking sheet. Then put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that's done, it's a simple process of combining the two ingredients in a jar, shake it up, and then place it in the freezer for a week to infuse. Be sure to give it a good shake each day so that all of CBD dissolve into the alcohol. After a week has passed, you'll need to separate the plant material from the alcohol. Here I'm using a coffee filter and a funnel to separate the two, and now you're left with an infused vodka. The second part now is to mix 1 part of the infused alcohol with 1 part sugar in a large heatable tray. Mix it a little so that the sugar is evenly coated and soaked with the alcohol before baking it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. Checking on the sugar every 15 minutes to mix it so that it doesn't just become one big block of sugar once it's done. After about an hour, the mixture should start to get thicker and thicker as the alcohol slowly melts away. And once the alcohol is almost completely gone, it'll look more and more like a brown greenish lump of sugar. At this point, once the alcohol is completely gone and the sugar is dry, you'll want to take it out, let it cool down, and then scoop the sugar into a dry container for future use. Unlike infused butters and oils, you can store this in a cool and dry place long term. And when needed, it's really easy to just add a spoonful to your favorite coffee, tea, or anything else that could use a spoonful of sugar. And as you can see, it mixes in with liquids clean and evenly. And that's it.